Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about plums, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with plums, and this can apply to fresh plums as well as dried plums, aka prunes. So if you're looking for some recipe ideas using this delicious fruit, hopefully this will help you out. In the proteins category, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds. There's almonds, beans in general, beef, chicken, fish, hazelnuts, nuts in general, pecans, pistachios, poppy seeds, pork, sesame seeds, and walnuts. In the vegetables category that goes well with plums, there's arugula, bell peppers, chilies, garlic, ginger, onions, especially red onions, rhubarb, salad greens of any type you can name, shallots, and spinach. In the fruits category, other fruits that pair well with plums, whether they're fresh or dried, there's apples, apple juice, apricots, bananas, blackberries, cherries, currants, dates, grapefruit, lemons, limes, nectarines, oranges, passion fruit, peaches, pears, raspberries, raisins, and strawberries. In the grains and grain products category, there's oatmeal and oats. In the dairy and non-dairy foods category, there's butter, cheese, especially blue cheese, cream cheese, feta, goat, and soft cheeses, cream, creme fraiche, custard, mascarpone, and yogurt. In the other foods category, there's caramel, chocolate, honey, kirsch, liqueurs like brandy, especially plum, and maple syrup, molasses, oil, especially olive oil, port, sugars, vinegar, especially balsamic vinegar, champagne, or red wine vinegars. And then there's wine, such as red wine, sweet, or white wines. I do hope this helps you out. Bye for now.